Today we're looking at 1.5 volumes of right pyramids and right cones. So once again, there are formulas to follow. So after you take a look at the notes and some of the examples, they then have us do a question. So we're going to try this question, calculate the volume of this right rectangular prism. So once again, volume is equal to length times width times height. So the volume, the length is 6 inches. The width is 4 inches and the height is 10 inches. You can only multiply two numbers at a time, so volume is equal to 24, 6 times 24 times 10. Volume is equal to 240. Now, well, there's 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, so it's going to be 240 inches cubed because we actually multiplied the 3 inches together. Alright, so there's your answer. We are now looking at calculating the volume of this right rectangular pyramid. So once again, the formula, volume is equal to height times width times length. So the volume, divided by 3. So the volume is equal to, the height, 10. The width is 4. And the length is 4 divided by 3. Volume is equal to 10 times 4 is 40 divided by 4. How many times 4 divided by 3? Volume is equal to 160 divided by 3. And volume is equal to, on our calculator, 160 divided by 3 equals 53.3, and because there's no measurements, let's say it was centimeters cubed. So once again, because we're multiplying by the same units, we have to bring it in. So there's my answer for this try. Cylinder. So we're looking at the cylinder. So once again, the volume for a cylinder is volume is equal to pi times r squared times height. R is my radius, so volume times pi, r squared is my radius, so that's going to be 6.5. Because it's a 2 up there, I'm going to multiply by 6.5 again, times the height is 14. Once again, I'm going to do pi at the end, so 6.5 times 6.5 is 42.25 times 14. Volume is equal to pi. 42.25 times 14 is 591.5. I've already done all these pre-calculations. Now when you multiply by pi, do not round off. Do not multiply by 3.14. Take the pi button, use it, times 591.3, enter, and my answer is 1,857.623736. Now I can round it off to volume is equal 1,850, because 76 is close to 80, put 8 there, in centimeters cubed. Once again, it's not wrong to leave it that way, but don't reduce this. You leave it to the end. Next question, we're looking at a cone. So once again, the volume for a cone is, the volume is equal to pi times r squared over h divided by 3. So volume is equal to pi, r squared is 12. Once again, it's squared, so there's 2 of them, times the height, which is 20, divided by 3. Volume is equal to pi, 12 times 12 is 144, times 20, divided by 3. Volume is equal to pi, 20 times 144, it should be 2,080, divided by 3. Volume is equal, once again, pi times 2880, enter, gives me 9,047.706,842, divided by 3. Divide that by 3, and my answer is The volume for this cone is 3015.92. Once again, there's no unit, so let's say it's millimeters cubed. So there's my answer for that. And this is just information, E volume of right pyramids. I haven't seen any questions like that on the provincial exam, so we don't have to really worry about it. And the last one, once again, I have never seen a question on provincial exam, but you'd have to calculate the base, and that's a little tricky on how to do that. So, but it's just there just in case.